Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wild and wonderful world of HTML in a blazing 60 seconds. Now let me tell you, HTML isn't just easy. It's the absolute simplest, most foolproof way to kickstart your coding adventure. So what the hell is HTML anyway? Well, buckle up. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the magical backbone of every single website you've ever laid your eyes on. Yep, you heard me right. Every website starts with this glorious code. Now, what does HTML actually do? Oh, let me break it down for you. It crafts magnificent headings, forms stunning paragraphs, displays eye-popping images, creates slick links, and whips up buttons that practically beg to be clicked. Think of HTML as the solid skeleton of your website. Without it, your site would just be a pile of digital goo. So why on earth should you bother learning HTML? If you've ever dreamed of building your own websites, hell, even if you just want to understand how the web ticks, HTML is your golden ticket. It's the very first step on your epic journey into the coding universe. And let's be real, you don't need to be some kind of genius to learn coding. All you need is a little bit of consistency and a dash of determination. So why not start small? Don't wait for tomorrow, start today. The web is waiting for your brilliance.